Bad. What a joke. I got to wrestle this clown here, Calhoun. What's the grease? Hey, ref, you better check that hand for grease. I don't want that grease all over me. Hey, I'll give it to you when I get ready.
Referee Jerry Calhoun. One fall, 15-minute time limit match.
Okay, the introduction's made. Tommy Rich in with David Price. Is Dave been here on Championship Wrestling?
No, it's our first look at him.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. First look at David. Well, cut no time. Here we go. David Price, Tommy Rich.
Rich. Let's watch Price go by and shoved him down to the mat. There he goes again. Jimmy Hart running around. Tommy talking more than wrestling. Price, left arm up behind Tommy's back. Tommy reverses on him over to the rope. Wildfire. Tommy Rich. Price over to the ropes. Referee Jerry Calhoun here calling for a break. I see that. Nice clean break from Tommy Rich. I'm amazed. On the ropes. Yeah, clean break from David Price. Tommy drops him with a leg. I saw the move, Tommy. Never said the man couldn't wrestle. I said I don't like his attitude. And I still don't. Minute 45 seconds into the action. David Price on the mat. Tommy Rich with the clear advantage with that hold. But Tommy really locked in there. Price going to find it tough to break out of this one. He's not that far away from the ropes. If there's any way he can get to the ropes, that's the wise thing to do. Price, thought maybe he might force his way out of it. Still in a hole. Yep. 2.5 minutes gone. All Tommy Rich in the match so far. Price pulls himself under that bottom rope, and that means the hold has to be broken. And Tommy Rich does, in fact, break it cleanly. Price out of it. About the only way he was going to get out of it, too. And oh, come on, Tommy. Tommy slugged Price, drove him to the mat. Now with a foot. David Price back on his feet, held that way as Tommy Rich pulled his hair and then jabbed him in the throat. 3.5 minutes gone in the match. Tommy Rich backs David Price into the rope. Off the rope, upper part of the arm. David Price down on the mat, center of the ring. 1, 2, it's over. All right, 4 minutes of time on it. Wildfire, Tommy Rich comes away with a win over David Price. Rich, heavy favorite going in. He won it without any trouble over Price. Come on, Tommy, enough's enough.
Okay. Tommy Rich comes out the winner. Okay, Tommy,
That's
you won
enough,
your
Tommy.
match. You can head back to the dressing room back there right now, and that'll be fine. And
Congratulations, Tommy.
Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it.
Go ahead.
Get over here, little man.
Come on, Tommy. Oh, I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's
Wait a minute.
take a break.
You know,
no,
Dave,
we don't need to wait
with
a
that
minute.
suit
Let's take
you
a
got
break.
on, you should
And
give
we'll
it to
be
that
back.
jerk right there.
We'll take this brief time out to remind